Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we've got something massive, bold, and legendary to talk about. The 2026 GMC Hummer H1 has finally returned, bringing back the spirit of the original beast, but reimagined for a modern era. This isn't just a simple refresh. It's a complete revival of one of the most iconic off-roaders of all time, blending military-inspired toughness with cutting-edge automotive technology. So let's dive deep and explore every detail of what this machine brings to the table. Looking at it from the front, the H1 immediately commands attention with its huge, boxy stance and aggressive presence. The iconic wide grille is reinterpreted with bold GMC styling, integrating modern LED matrix headlights that still manage to capture the essence of the old Hummer design. The bumper is functional with tow hooks, skid plates, and a reinforced structure that screams durability. The ground clearance is massive, with an approach angle that practically dares you to take it on any terrain. Shifting to the side profile, the H1 retains its unmistakably wide body proportions. The fender flares are pronounced, housing enormous off-road tires wrapped around rugged alloy wheels. The squared-off windows, exposed hinges, and military-inspired flat-body panels pay homage to the original, while sleek contour lines and high-tech flush door handles give it a futuristic twist. Roof options include both a removable hardtop and panoramic panels, allowing it to shift from a rugged all-terrain machine to an open-air cruiser. The sheer scale of this SUV is hard to ignore. It's tall, wide, and unapologetically bold. From the back, the story continues with vertical LED taillights, a full-size spare mounted in military fashion, and a reinforced tailgate. GMC has also equipped it with integrated storage solutions, a towing hitch, and even optional recovery gear attachments. The rear bumper maintains that functional armored look, completing the all-round rugged design. Step inside and you're greeted by an interior that feels both luxurious and utilitarian. GMC has struck a balance between premium comfort and hardcore functionality. The cabin is spacious, with leather-trimmed seats, durable materials, and customizable interior themes. The dashboard is dominated by a massive touchscreen infotainment system paired with a fully digital driver display, offering all the latest connectivity and off-road telemetry. Everything inside feels built for both comfort and toughness, water-resistant. Floor mats, exposed bolts, and grab handles all over remind you this is a vehicle made for the wild. At the same time, advanced driver assistance systems, premium audio, and wireless charging pads add that modern refinement you'd expect in a 2026 SUV. When it comes to performance, the H1 does not disappoint. GMC offers it in multiple powertrain options, including a monstrous EV version powered by the Ultium platform, delivering up to 1,000 horsepower and mind-bending torque numbers. This allows the H1 to not only conquer off-road trails, but also sprint like a sports car when needed. There are also hybrid and turbo diesel options rumored, catering to different markets and preferences. Off-road features are top-notch with independent suspension, adjustable air ride, crab walk mode, locking differentials, and an insane amount of ground clearance. Whether it's mud, rocks, snow, or desert dunes, this machine is engineered to go anywhere. Pricing for the 2026 Hummer H1 is just as bold as its presence. Starting figures are expected around $120,000 for the base model, with higher trims and fully loaded EV versions pushing well beyond $160,000. It's definitely positioned as a premium, almost luxury off-roader aimed at those who want something bigger and more capable than the average SUV. For those considering it, my suggestion is to think carefully about what you want out of this vehicle. If you're looking for an everyday city SUV, this might feel excessive due to its sheer size and price. But if you're an adventurer an off-road enthusiast, or someone who simply wants a statement vehicle that combines legendary toughness with modern technology. The H1 is a beast that doesn't compromise. Its unique blend of heritage, performance, and futuristic engineering makes it stand out in a crowded tall SUV market. That wraps up this in-depth review of the 2026 GMC Hummer H1. It's big, it's bold, it's powerful, and it's everything a modern Hummer should be. Let me know in the comments what you think. Do you see yourself driving one of these, or do you think it's over the top? Don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more detailed car reviews, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.